It's E. Kelly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zara, and today I am going to be doing a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, and this is the first video of my beginner friendly series that I'm going to be doing. Guys, first off, we are going to be priming our eyes, and I am going to be using a concealer to prime my eyes for this summer makeup look. And you could use any concealer you can find, because it doesn't really matter what product you use as long as the product is good. Okay, things got a little messy on this eye, but it's fine, it's okay, we can deal with that. So then we are going to be going into an eyeshadow, which is this green color right here. I'm gonna spread it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to be going in with this color right here, this yellow color here, and I'm going to be going above the green color. I'm going to be going above the green color, and I'm going to be blending. So then we are going to be going in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm using this black shade right here. So then guys, you are going to get a shimmer shade. I'm using this shimmer shade, and I am going to be going into my inner corners with my finger. After you do your eyes, just put on some mascara, and then you do your foundation, which I've already done here, and then I'm just going to be setting it with a powder. I am not going to be putting concealer or anything, since my face doesn't look that bad. So I'm going to be using this. Which shade is lighter? This shade. I'm going to be using this shade for underneath my eyes and to set underneath my eyes, because it's the lightest shade of powder I have on this palette. So I'm just going to be pressing with a powder brush underneath my eyes. Press. See? And then I'm just going to be going to underneath the other eye and doing the same thing. Yep, that's it. So after that's done, you just want to contour, and I'm just going to be contouring with the same palette here. And so I'm just going to get the shade out and then tap. When that's over, I am just going to be getting my Milani compact powder in the shade Warm. Y'all know how I do this. And then I'm going to take the same powder brush and just like make everything come together, because me going out like this would just mean I'm a crazy person, if you get what I mean. I'm gonna get my NYX matte finish setting spray, and I'm just gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna be closing my eyes and doing the rest of my face. Oh my god, what the hell. Anyway.